Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Breeze Hill Elementary School, home of the Coyotes here in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. Here again for the after-school program, a presentation. I was here a few months back talking about positivity, being our best self. Today we took it up a level, talking about and focusing on respect and that we're all true miracles, right? And we talk about that in all my talks, the lines on our hand. I trace one of mine here. We all have the letter M, at least one in each hand. That M, like the front of my shirt today, says miracle, what it stands for, upside down W, for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But today's assembly also really ties into the expectations here at Breeze Hill, right? We talk about being safe, being responsible, but the focus for today's program was really all around being respectful, and that we have to really give that respect if we want to get it, if we want to receive it. And we brainstormed at the very beginning, why it's so important that we show respect. A lot of students said, look, if someone's feeling sad, feeling down, if you show them respect, if you're kind to them, it might cheer them up, right? Some students that are getting bullied or made fun of, teased, that we can be respectful to them, treat them the same way that we want to be treated, that golden rule concept. And so all across this school, there's murals, there's different sayings. I'm here in the MPR where we had today's talk, and I love that they just started this as well, a kindness tree here in the back, talking about different ways that we can show that respect, right? It's just a beautiful idea, that we keep seeing that theme everywhere we go, every day, and we just keep trying to step into knowing that we can all make a difference, right? We can either be that bully or we can be the upstander. Or the bystander too, but the students really understood today through a series of heartfelt stories, through some inspirational videos, through some positive music. We did a hand motion rap, we did a repeat after me rap, we did a call and response rap where they really focused in on the core principles of respect, right? Showing that love, choosing that peace, really choosing to demonstrate kindness, not only to ourselves, we have to respect ourselves first before we can give that respect and love to someone else, right? And so they really understood that, and a lot of them came up to me and said, hey, Mr. Peace, I had a connection to one of the stories that you shared. It really related to me. You really touched my heart. And I said, that means you have a big heart. Now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. So hope to come back again and really build on what we spoke about today, and just kind of keep reinforcing those positive values, having that strong foundation, just like the tree in the background, right? That for a tree to have, huge branches, it needs to have huge roots and a big system, a good foundation. And we're trying to lay that, here at Breeze Hill in the AM/PM program. So honored to be a part of that. So thank you all for touching my heart. Hope to see you again soon. Have a great rest of the school year. And until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist right here for some additional motivation. And if you want to visit my website, you can click on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.